my name is Bidwati. I want pilot when I grow up because it's a fun job and easy to do. I think they should be able to read map so they can see why find their way if they get lost. Pilots have to have good eyes so they can see through clouds and they cannot be afraid of lightning or thunder because they are closer to them. Then the job of a pilot is difficult and risky but prestigious. Thank you. Good afternoon, teacher and my dear friend. I am Krishan Tancha. Today I will talk about community helpers. When I grow up, I want to be a policeman. The policeman is very strong, brave. The policeman catches thieves and robbers. The policeman protects our nations. Jai Hind. Thank you. My name is Kian Jain, entrepreneur. When I grow up, I want to become an entrepreneur. He is someone who invests his time and money for overall good of the society. I would create job. I would help farmers so that they can supply their produce anywhere. I would invest in green technology. I would try and help us many people as possible. Thank you.
I want to become a doctor when I grow up because the doctors are also called as life savior. They help patients when they sick or get hurt. The doctor provides the patient with the best possible treatment. A doctor has a tough job. A doctor of profession is not easy one. It's required to many years of training. Thank you.
My name is Manan Mehta. I am a doctor. I treat sick people. This is my stethoscope. I give them medicine. I check oxygen meter. This is my thermometer. I can check sick people with thermometer who have fever. This is a sugar machine. Who has sugar? I check. This is a BP machine. I check BP. Thank you. Jai Hind. My name is Navish Nair. I wish to become a military when I grow up. I am brave and strong. I protect my country and people. I fight with bad guys and keep our country safe. Military men are heroes of their country. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
want to become an astronaut. An astronaut is a person who is the space sailor. I have always fantasized by all those heavenly bodies, planets and outer space stars. An astronaut is not only about anti-gravity stunts but have a greater responsibility to develop new concept and navigation of a vehicle outside the Earth's atmosphere. We have to conduct different experiments and collect information about outer space and planets while in space flight. I have always dreamed to become an astronaut. Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams are my role models, which inspires me to become an astronaut. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello friends, my name is Eden. Today I am going to speak about doctor. When I grow up, I want to become a doctor. A doctor has a very important place in our society. There are many different types of doctors such as dentist, orthopedic, eye specialist, chest specialist, etc. On 1st July, we celebrate as Doctor's Day in India. When we fall sick, we go to doctor and they give us medicine and injection. We should always follow the advice given by a doctor. We should always respect doctor because doctors are said to be messenger of God. Thank you.
I am a police officer. I have a gun. I have a uniform. I carry